got a 3D Jesus in a picture frame. Got a child that you never name. She shakes a snake above her hair, talks in tongue when there's no one there. So meet me tonight at the Red River where the water is clear and gold. Oh, meet me tonight at the Red River and look down into your soul. Look down into your soul. She got a rosary and a rabbit's foot, a black cat bone that treats her good. A tiger tooth and a gris-gris stick, still it don't do the trick. So meet me tonight at the Red River where the water is clear and cold. Oh, meet me tonight at the Red River. Look down into your soul. Look down into your soul. I'm gonna walk her down to a gypsytown, find the spirit queen I've seen around, paint her body up in mud and clay, let the river wash it all away. So meet me tonight at the Red River where the water is clear and gold. Meet me tonight at the Red River. Look down into your soul. Look down into your soul. Look down into your soul.
Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty. This is Red River off the Hypnotic Eye, Tom and the Heartbreakers' last album. I always really love this track. It's a fun one to play and sing. Let's get right into it. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. Of course, this is an acoustic arrangement for a very electric guitar song. So we're going to start that opening riff. I'm just going to play a B flat on the 6th fret bar chord down to a G. So, you know, something like that. So I'm going to do that riff throughout the song, right? And then we got the verses. So she's got a 3D Jesus, A minor to a G, A minor, back to G, and then back to that B flat, G, B flat, G, and then same thing, A minor to a G, A minor to a G, B flat, G, B flat, G. So meet me tonight at the Red River. That's a D minor. Meet me, A minor to an F at the Red River. F with a D minor, F, A minor. I'm sorry, D minor, A minor, F, D minor, A minor, F, then A minor. Into your soul, D, back to A minor, to a D, and then the same B flat, G. That's everything for the song except the little instrumental part. What I'm hearing there, something similar. I'm going to go to a B flat suspended 2 second chord, a B flat sus 2, we'll call it. So I'm barring that on the 1st fret. So you bar regular B flat, you're just keeping the B string. You're not fingering that, just with the bar. So a B flat sus 2, I'm going to call it. And then I'm going to slide that up to a C sus 2. Same shape, just from the 1st fret to the 3rd fret. You do that 3 times, I think. Something like that. Then it goes to a D, and then you're back to the B flat, the riff. And then A minor to a G, A minor to a G. I think the last time goes to A minor to a G, A minor to a G, the B flat riff to G, B flat G. So meet me tonight at the Red River. Again, that's D minor, A minor, F, D minor, A minor, F. One more time, D minor, A minor, F, A minor to a D, A minor to a D. One more time. Look down into your soul. And I'm going to end it there on that D. That's Red River, folks. That's Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers off the Hypnotic Eye album. A fantastic, what a great finale. We'll call it a finale Heartbreaker album. What a great one it is. Red River has always been a favorite of mine. Definitely have fun with this one. Thank you so much for checking out the lesson, joining me in the Judge Timbers channel, checking out A Saturday Night with Tom Petty, this ongoing series. If you don't know, I try every Saturday night to post some Tom Petty or Tom Petty related guitar tutorial on acoustic guitar each Saturday night. So look forward to another one next Saturday night and the one after that. But pretty soon, at some point, I'm going to run out of songs and then I'll have to do something else. Thanks a lot, folks, for watching. Take care. I'll see you soon.